Hello everyone, I welcome you all to another trending series of Gen AI. My name is Dheeraj and I work as data engineer at Thinknyx Technologies. As rightly said, technology makes what was once impossible possible. In today's tutorial, we'll explore one such fascinating topic, generative AI. So, let's get started. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, such as images, videos, music, text, code, and much more. It does this by learning from a massive dataset of existing data and then using that knowledge to create fresh and clean data. For example, a generative AI model that is trained on a dataset of images of cats can learn to generate new images of cats that are realistic and original. How does generative AI work? Generative AI models typically uses a technique called machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows machines to learn without being explicitly programmed. In the context of generative AI, machine learning models are trained on large datasets which comprised of huge data. These datasets can include images, text, audio, or code. The model learns from the data by identifying patterns and relationships. Once the model is trained, it can be used to generate new content that is similar to the data it was trained on. Generative AI models are built upon the foundation models of machine learning. Foundation models are trained on massive amounts of unlabeled data. This allows them to learn general representations of the world that can be used for a variety of tasks, including generative AI. Foundation models are often the first step in developing a generative AI model, as they provide a strong foundation for the model to build on. For example, the GPT-3 foundation model was trained on a dataset of 600 billion words of text. This allows the model to generate text that is similar to human-written text, including different creative text formats of text content, like poems, programming code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and much more. How can generative AI be used? Generative AI has a huge potential which can be leveraged in multiple fields. Here are a few of the real-world popular examples. Creating new art and music. Generative AI can be used to create new paintings, sculptures, musical pieces, and more. Developing new products and services. Generative AI can be used to design new products and services, such as clothing styles, types of furniture, layout for your new room or entire house. Personalizing experiences. Generative AI can be used to personalize content for individual users, such as providing suggestion for the movies, music, websites, places, and sports you like. Augmenting human creativity. Generative AI can be used to augment human creativity, such as helping writers to come up with new ideas or helping designers to create new prototypes. Advantages of generative AI. Generative AI has a number of advantages over traditional methods. Below are a few of them. Efficiency. Generative AI can create new content or relevant searches much faster than humans can. Scalability. Generative AI models can be scaled to generate large amounts of content. Creativity. Generative AI models can generate new and original content that is often indistinguishable from human-created content. One of the best example is the video you are watching right now. The audio in this video is generated with the help of text-to-speech generative AI. If you're really looking to kickstart exploring and learning more about generative AI, there are few renowned tools available in the market which are completely free. Even if you wish to go further with advanced features, there are many enterprise generative AI tools available in the market. Few of the most popular and commonly used generative AI tools are Google AI. Google AI offers a number of generative AI tools, including Imagen, a text-to-image generator, and Lambda, a text-to-text generator. OpenAI. OpenAI offers a number of generative AI tools, including DALL-E 2, a text-to-image generator, and GPT-3, a text-to-text generator. Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is a free, open-source text-to-image generator. In conclusion, generative AI is a powerful technology if used with caution, that has the potential to revolutionize the entire world with its power and features. In the future, we may expect to see generative AI used in a wide range of fields, from creating new art and music to developing new products and services. That's wrap for today. Thank you for watching. We hope that this video has helped you to learn more about the basics of generative AI and its potential. Please don't forget hit the like and subscribe button for more.